Welcome back, everyone. Let's have a look at some cinematics that COD has brought up in one of its latest updates, and then we can go to some
Mason's mind
online
is
play.
a twisted nightmare we have to untangle from within. But we're closer to recreating the ceiling than ever before. As for how we control it...
Yeah, so this is just an update that took place whenever there's a COD update, and then they do a cinematic
Synapse can do.
to show the new features
Synapse commands the
like
entire
drones,
emotional
bots,
spectrum.
stages,
We can
those kind of
suppress
things. They
negativity
normally
and
show
stress,
that
or with a little push,
as a preview towards whatever the update has
tip
brought
over into
towards the
madness.
game.
Locking the subject within their own mind, leaving them primed for manipulation.
So in this instance, I would think it's more likely to be bots. Oh no, it's not bots. This is probably new characters, new avatars.
Get out of here! After this.
Ah, there we go. That's it. Some new bots added. Sweet. It's always nice to check out what new features these updates bring in, and they like to bring it in a preview, like a CG preview like that. So this is again as promised. Yeah, this is after the graphic cards upgrade and significant upgrades. It's a gameplay session. So this is on the 3080. A huge improvement on speed, response time. I mean, everything was just a bit more accurate. It's weird, as much as you'd normally think it's only internet related, but in this instance, sniping was even much better. You can see there, crisp, more clear response time. And I even downgraded my internet package. Before I was on the 100 meg line. Right now I'm on the 50 meg line. And you can see there the no latency even on this in this aspect. And sniping is normally a bit more of a challenge, because you need to be more accurate, you need to respond more faster. So I think the GPU upgrade done wonders. Excellent. So much more, much better. So in one of my previous videos, I have a video of my gaming rig, an upgrade on that as well, because this GPU generates a lot of heat. So I got new fans in. I need to add some more fans in as well, just to make sure that the flow is good in the box. So this is another session that I was jamming. This is actually another decent session I had with one of the weapons that had barely any extra attachments onto it. So the gun was quite smooth, and I got a decent amount of kills. So I just need to play with it a bit more and upgrade it. I actually have jammed a few more sessions, and the gun has got some more features unlocked here. So a huge improvement. So you guys will notice I'm mostly playing multiplayers, because the sessions are quick to get in and get out, get in, get out. Yeah, I'm not that much of a fan on playing on a 30-40 minute session game, like Warzone. I think I should do a Warzone soon. I'm not the best in Warzone, but I enjoy the plunder. But my multiplayer is one of the most played game sessions that I always do in my Call of Duty sessions. So you'd notice my sessions mostly include multiplayer, and it's fast paced, man. It's like the stages are quick. There's no way to hide. There's pure skill required. There's not a lot of camping happening. So yeah, that is just one of those things that I think I enjoy very, very much. I would be doing I think I'll be doing a Warzone in my next one. So keep a lookout for that one. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.